fashion industry is a multi-billion-dollar giant. It's a world of creativity, passion, and opportunity. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own clothing brand? Of seeing your designs worn by people all over the world? It's possible. This essay will be your guide. We'll break down the process into clear, actionable steps. From finding your niche to scaling your business, we'll cover it all. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and build a clothing brand that rocks. This is your time. Are you ready to crush it? Let's go. The first step is to find your niche. What makes your brand special? What problem are you solving for your customers? Maybe you're passionate about sustainable fashion, or perhaps you design clothes for tall women. Think about your target audience. Who are they? What do they care about? Successful brands have a clear understanding of their customers. They know their needs, their desires, and their pain points. Don't be afraid to be different. Your unique perspective is your strength. Embrace it. Find your niche and own it. Your brand is more than just a logo or a name. It's your story. It's the essence of who you are and what you represent. When people see your brand, they should immediately understand your values, your mission, and your vision. It's not just about recognition, it's about connection. It's the feeling people get when they interact with your products. It's the joy of finding something that resonates with them, the satisfaction of a purchase well made, and the trust that builds over time. Every interaction is a chance to reinforce your story and deepen that connection. Think about your brand values. What do you stand for? What are the core principles that guide your business decisions? These values should be evident in every aspect of your brand, from the way you design your products to the way you communicate with your customers. They are the foundation of your story. What message do you want to send to the world? Your brand message should be clear, consistent, and compelling. It should speak to the heart of your audience and inspire them to take action. Whether it's a message of sustainability, innovation, or community, make sure it aligns with your values and resonates with your audience. Create a brand identity that is consistent across all platforms. Your logo, colors, fonts, and imagery should all work together to create a cohesive look and feel. This consistency helps to build recognition and trust, making it easier for people to remember and connect with your brand. From your website to your social media, everything should tell the same story. Your online presence is often the first point of contact for potential customers, so make sure it reflects your brand accurately. Use your website, social media, and other digital platforms to share your story, showcase your products, and engage with your audience. Use strong visuals, compelling copy, and authentic storytelling to connect with your audience. Visuals are powerful tools for communication, so invest in high-quality images and videos that capture the essence of your brand. Pair these visuals with copy that is engaging, informative, and true to your voice. Remember, people buy from brands they connect with emotionally. Make them feel something. Whether it's happiness, excitement, or a sense of belonging, emotions play a crucial role in the decision-making process. Tap into these emotions by sharing stories that are relatable, inspiring, and authentic. Share your passion, your story, and your vision. Let your audience see the human side of your brand. Show them the hard work, dedication, and love that goes into everything you do. When people see your passion, they are more likely to become loyal customers and advocates for your brand. Now it's time to bring your designs to life. Start sketching, experimenting, and refining your ideas. There are tons of tools and software available to help you create professional designs. Don't be afraid to get creative and push the boundaries. Next, you'll need to find a manufacturer. Do your research and find a partner who understands your vision and your quality standards. Get samples made and test everything thoroughly. Quality is key. Remember, manufacturing can be a complex process. Stay organized, communicate clearly, and always be prepared for unexpected challenges. But most importantly, never compromise on quality. Section 5. Creating your online empire. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is non-negotiable. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a freelancer, having a robust digital footprint can make or break your success. The internet is a vast marketplace, and to stand out, you need to be strategic and intentional about your online activities. Your website is your virtual storefront. It's often the first impression potential customers will have of your business. Therefore, it's crucial to make it count. A well-designed website not only attracts visitors but also converts them into loyal customers. Think of it as your digital business card. Make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. In an era where most people access the internet through their smartphones, a mobile-optimized website is essential. Ensure that your site loads quickly, has clear calls to action, and provides a seamless user experience. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer unparalleled opportunities to connect with your audience. But it's not just about posting content. It's about engaging with your followers, responding to their comments, and building a community around your brand. Use it to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive traffic to your website. Create engaging content, run contests, and collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing can significantly amplify your reach and credibility. Choose influencers whose values align with your brand and who have a genuine connection with their followers. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Despite the rise of social media, email remains one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. It's personal, direct, and allows you to communicate with your customers on a one-on-one basis. Build your email list and use it to share exclusive content, promotions, and new product launches. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly update your subscribers with valuable information and make them feel special by offering exclusive deals and early access to new products. Stay active, engage with your followers, and watch your online empire grow. The digital landscape is ever evolving, so stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Adapt, innovate, and always keep your audience at the heart of your strategy. With dedication and the right approach, your online empire will flourish. Section 6. Mastering Marketing and Sales. In this section, we will delve into the essential strategies and techniques that can elevate your marketing and sales efforts to new heights. Marketing is all about getting your brand in front of the right people. It's about creating a connection and making your brand memorable. Whether it's through eye-catching billboards or engaging street fashion photo shoots, the goal is to capture attention and leave a lasting impression. There are countless strategies you can use, from influencer marketing to paid advertising. Influencers can help you reach a wider audience by leveraging their followers, while digital advertising can target specific demographics with precision. The key is to understand your audience and choose the right mix of strategies to reach them effectively. Experiment and find what works best for your brand. Don't be afraid to try new approaches and see what resonates with your audience. Sometimes unconventional methods can yield the best results. For instance, showcasing your products in unique settings or collaborating with local entrepreneurs can create a buzz and attract attention. Create a sense of urgency and excitement around your products. Offer limited edition collections, run flash sales, and create exclusive events that make people feel like they need to act fast. This not only drives sales, but also builds a loyal customer base that eagerly anticipates your next offering. Partner with other brands for collaborations. Collaborations can introduce your brand to new audiences and create unique products that stand out in the market. By working together, brands can leverage each other's strengths and create a win-win situation that benefits both parties. Make people feel like they need to have what you're selling. Create an atmosphere of excitement and exclusivity around your brand. Launch events, social media teasers, and influencer endorsements can all contribute to building hype and making your products highly desirable. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Innovative marketing stunts and unique product presentations can capture the public's imagination and generate buzz. Whether it's a flash mob, a pop-up art installation, or a live demonstration, creativity can set your brand apart from the competition. The most successful brands are always innovating and finding new ways to reach their customers. Stay ahead of the curve by continuously exploring new trends, technologies, and marketing techniques. Engage with your customers, listen to their feedback, and adapt your strategies to meet their evolving needs. By doing so, you'll build a strong, loyal customer base and ensure long-term success for your brand. Section 7. Scaling your brand from startup to empire. Once you've established a solid foundation, it's time to think about scaling your business. This might involve expanding your product lines, opening a physical store, or selling internationally. Look for opportunities to collaborate with other brands and retailers, attend industry events, network with other entrepreneurs, and always be on the lookout for new ways to grow your brand. Scaling a business takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right strategy and a relentless work ethic, you can take your brand from startup to empire. Section 8. Lessons from the giants. Inspiration from successful brands. Take inspiration from successful brands like Nike, Supreme, and Glossier. What makes them so successful? How did they build such loyal followings? Study their marketing strategies, their brand messaging, and their customer service. Learn from their successes and their failures. There's always something to learn from those who have come before you. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Learn from the best, adapt their strategies to your own brand, and pave your own path to success. Section 9. Conclusion. Taking the first step. Starting a clothing brand is a journey. It's going to be challenging, it's going to be rewarding, and it's going to be an incredible learning experience. The most important thing is to take that first step. Start small, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. The fashion industry is waiting for you. Go out there and make your mark on the world. You got